Hello and welcome to another update video about Chainlink. Well, Chainlink did break out of this descending wedge. To be fair, it wasn't a very accurate descending wedge anyway. We only had 2 touch points up here, as I mentioned in the last video. So yeah, certainly also here interesting developments. We broke out. We are moving up together with the entire market, but we are far away from really confirming anything, let's say, significantly bullish. Yeah, I mean, I will start to track a bullish scenario for you, but it is very, very low confidence at this stage. So at the moment, my view is still that we're going to go lower. And it continues to be the case that to really believe, also, let's say on the daily time frame, that a low is in, it would need to take at least a move above this wave A high, or let's say can reduce it down to the wave E high at 950. Nothing has changed from that, and then the daily chart actually will only turn bullish above 1150. Did say that many times before, and so far it's worked out. We had this up and down, yes, but overall the trend has been down as expected. We've recently only made a new low that invalidated here a possible 1-2 setup anyway. Primary expectation was to go down, so that worked out nicely. We've got a significant low now. I still think we're going to go lower, and I'm going to show you just my idea of where we are now in a minute. But we can obviously take a look at a more bullish count, but it is very low confidence at this stage without any further confirmation. By the way, I'm going to take out the wedge now because we don't need it. Doesn't help us at all. So let me first of all spread that out. So to be very clear here, my primary expectation is still for LINK to go into the region around, yeah, maybe 290 to 350. Maybe we don't need to go down that low, but that's unchanged. That's unchanged until we see the chart prove something different. At the moment, for me, LINK is back in a wave 2. So to be very clear, within this wave 3, yeah, we've done a wave 1 and we're now moving up in wave 2. That's sort of how I see this in what I believe is the correct structure. So it would be something like this: wave 1 down, wave 2 up, and then heading further down. No change to any expectation here, just short-term further upside, which we talked about would be possible, but nothing remotely bullish here at the moment, especially long-term. So resistance here for this move. We are now in resistance. It starts at the 50% retracement, goes up all the way above to 670. This is the key resistance. I mean, you can spread it out a little bit further, all the way up to, let me think. I'm just wondering. I mean, it won't be invalidated until we break above that $7.7 level, yeah? Just to be very clear here. Yeah. No, I think this is the correct, this is my best view at the moment. So we've got resistance, main resistance for this wave 2 is in this area, which means we're just entering resistance here, which doesn't mean it needs to stop here. It could still push higher, even if it pushes above the $7.8 level. Or, you know, we can talk about an extended wave 1 and then a larger wave 2. That's all possible. That's why, due to this structure, and you know what I think about this structure, it's completely messy. It makes it very difficult to talk about a reliable low. That's why we need to break above that. We need to break out of that range. We're now at the bottom of that range again. We basically broke back into the range, if you want. Well, we never exited it really, because we never broke below the June low. But I believe this is currently only a corrective move up in a larger downtrend. We have now 3 waves that are developing here, as you can see. Yeah, so you could say that we've had here a leading diagonal in a wave 1, then a wave 2. Sorry, an A wave, a B wave, and now a C wave. If we get 5 waves, then we can look at the possibility of a larger ABC. So I mean, what I mean is, if we get here really a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which would be a more bullish interpretation, then this could still be just an A wave and would come down in B and then move up in C. That's all tradable. Yeah, but looking at the context here, which is very important, we are still quite far away from any significant breakthroughs. So at the moment, I mean, if I gave you here a more bullish interpretation, it would be expected to reach at least 627. So if we say this was a 1, this a 2, and now a 3, then we should get a 4 down and a 5 up. So if we get 5 waves, then again, we can look at a retracement area. And if I get 5 waves, I could even calculate and give you a long trade area for the next move up. Again, this would not necessarily be bullish, but it would be a short-term uptrend that of course can be traded, for example, in a larger A, B, C correction. Okay, and I can then give you targets for that as well, but maybe in the next few days. Let's see if we make 5 waves. But first of all, we are here in resistance. Okay, and that's my update video about Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.